Okay, welcome everybody. This is open source Kubernetes SIG Instrumentation. Today is what? It is February 27th. Uh, Welcome all. We have some items here by Cheng Hao. I'm going to just hand it over to you.
Yeah, and the one first question is about the release highlight, and do we need to send the release highlight this release? And I see our channel have the message about the release hosting. They want to ask, yeah, they want to add the release highlight.
Yeah, I think we are working on a couple of features which we would want to include once those PRs merge. Uh, I guess we could also include some of the metrics graduation work that we have been doing. If we wanted to call out some like widely used metrics that have been graduated from alpha to beta, that comes to mind. Maybe that is something that we can call out in the release highlight. Not sure if there is anything else worth calling out. Damien, do you have anything in mind?
Was looking to it, but I think, yeah, we have the features. Yeah, and I think that's mostly it, as far as I'm aware. But we
Yeah,
still have a month to write it.
that's true. Yeah.
Like they have like, I think 1 week after code freeze also. So we can do that, I think, after code freeze so that at least it's up to date with what we delivered.
What we actually did. Yeah, that makes sense. We still have some time, so don't have to take any immediate action for this. Is there anything else, Shanghai, that you wanted for that point?
Uh, yeah, and over the next question.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, I see that is the old issue about the KK code base. It's about the Prometheus dependency. I see only the test end-to-end node need to remove, and I sent a PR about this. But yeah, as you can see, this is a very long time ago issue, and yeah, I have the PR to do this. And should we remove other about the uh because I remember they have some paths in, yeah, they have some many test file in use the Prometheus dependency. So should I remove it or only remove end-to-end node?
Keep it only in component base because we want to kind of prevent developers to use the Prometheus library directly. We rather
Yeah.
have them use our own implementations. So I'd say if you find any other areas where like that depends on Prometheus outside of component base in our library, then yeah, I think it would be great to move away from them.
Okay, so it's uh it's that the component based use metrics use can use Prometheus. Otherwise we should remove, right?
And it should, like, if they need anything from Prometheus directly, they should use the component-based library.
All
And
right.
if, like, let's say there is a wrapper that is missing, then we need to implement it.
I also
Okay.
think like there is a free submit check that runs for detecting if you're importing Prometheus outside of the component base. Uh, if you're importing the Prometheus client outside of the component base package. But
Mm.
probably it's also worth to just do a manual check and see if, according to that issue, if it's just this test end-to-end node package that's using it, I guess this PR is good. But maybe we should also manually verify if there's other places. that's using Prometheus client directly and not using the component-based implementation.
Yeah. If this directed it right, I will send other PR about I will build other PR like API or node to remove the dependency. Yeah. There has
Oh,
some
you might have to also change this. Why are these allowed?
yeah, I
If
don't
we
know.
have a pre-submit check, we might need to extend it to include the test directory. Because it might just be that it's not run against the test directory, but only like staging, package, and like usual code-related directories.
Got it. Yeah, so if you're removing code, removing the invocations of the Prometheus client, then make sure that you're also removing those packages from here, I guess.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, great. This seems like a old issue. Thanks for bringing this up again. Oh, there seems to be this also, package volume that's missing.
Volume, I think it is removed. Yeah. It is not this PR. It not this PR.
Oh,
Other PR. Uh, maybe in the message in the
oh,
many
somebody
messages.
already did that, is what you're saying.
I said yeah. Somebody is remove that.
Okay, okay, okay. Cool. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else for this issue? Maybe I will also assign this. Anyone wants to take a look at this? It's just removing dependencies.
Like I'm looking at it right now.
What is that?
Hmm.
Did you say something?
I said I was looking into it right now.
Oh, okay. Let me just assign it to you then. Great. Any other topics? I see Stephen here, and I just wanted to call out the PR for the docs change that he had contributed a while ago. I think it's just waiting for another look.
Yeah, I've had to rebase it a second time. I'll drop a link in the Zoom chat.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's just waiting CI.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think the PR is stable and reviewed. Um, I don't know if there was. I think you were waiting to see if there was any objections around it.
Yeah. I just wanted some confirmation from people who had worked on the documentation before. But
So,
seems like there is no breaking changes anyway. We're just adding new stuff. So,
yeah, I just regenerated it again, just to pull in the latest changes.
okay. Got it. So no code changes, right?
Great.
Yeah, I think this is a nice change. Like it's going to show you for every metric, the component that's emitting that metric along with like the endpoint that has that metric. What did you add? Oh, here, screenshots. So it's going to just add these sections for each metric in the documentation. I think that is helpful. And let's try to get this merged for 136 is what I would try to do.
Great, thank you.
Okay. No more topics. Damien, are you going to attend the KubeCon Europe this time?
Messed up. I submitted to the wrong conference. Like,
No.
because there was this change like with the maintenance summit and everything,
Oh yeah,
and I
yeah.
got confused. So I submitted to the maintenance summit and not to the normal conference.
Oh, I
And then
see.
it was too late to have like a new slot allocated.
Oh,
So now I'm gonna skip it.
oh, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah, I might not be able to travel for it also. If other people, anyone who's attending, please yeah, give us a review once it's over. Like how did you feel and how was the experience? It'd be great to know. I guess we'll end here then, if no other topics. Stop sharing. And thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you.
Right.
See ya.
Cheers.